Morning guys, welcome to the Chef on Two Wheels. Today we'll be making empanadas. We'll be using butter. So this one is 250 grams butter. I'll just grate it. Make sure it's cold so you get a flaky pastry. There you go. It's to our butter. We will add our flour. So I'm using just plain flour or all-purpose flour. So to this we'll add 4 cups of flour. And a teaspoon of salt. Then we'll cut in our butter and flour until the butter is blended with the flour, or until it resembles like grains of sand actually. You can do this also with a food processor. Just put it in pulse, just pulse it until everything's incorporated. So we'll just rub in our butter with the flour. There you go. That's what I'm looking for. So it's still cold, right? And to this, we'll add 1 egg. So 1 egg. And this is 160 mils of cold water to start with until we form a dough. So just mix it up. Still looking dry. We'll add another, let's say 100 mils of water. Just a bit more. Now we'll just transfer it on our bench. Now we'll just get everything together. So we'll just work it for a bit, not too much. There you go. Till we just form a ball. So with this, we'll just cover it with a cling film, and then we'll just let this rest for about 20 minutes inside the fridge. And that's our pastry. So now we'll make our empanada filling. This one is the minced pork, 1 kilo of minced pork, 400 grams of diced potato. Be using frozen peas, carrots, and corn. This is about 200 grams. 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, chicken bouillon cube, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and tomato paste. So we'll start with the cooking. So in your pan, just add a bit of oil. It's about 4 tablespoons. Just let it heat up for a bit. We'll start with our onions. To this we'll add our garlic. Smells good. Our pork mince. Season the pork, salt, cracked pepper, black pepper, so just make a hole in the middle of the pan. We'll add our bouillon cube, chicken bouillon. Give it. And then just mix it through the pork. To this we'll add our potatoes. So I drain the potatoes. Let's mix it in. So in this mixture we'll add our tomato paste. We'll be using about 4 tablespoons. Just mix it in. And then we'll add our soy sauce. I'll put in 4 tablespoons. And 4 tablespoons of our oyster sauce. It up. So we'll just let the sauce reduce for a bit before we put in our frozen peas, carrots, and corn. Dropping our mixture. So let it cool down. So we'll just transfer it in a container. So it will cool down faster. We just portion the dough into 40 grams each. And then I just put it on a tray and just ball them up. Dust our bench. Just roll out your dough. Get our filling. Just fold. Press it in. Press. Press that. And same. Press. Press, fold. Press, fold. Crimp in, fold. Fold. We have empanada. Get some more flour, bench. Press. So that's how I make empanada. Press the edges. So just press, fold, press, fold. Okay. And there you go. It's pork empanada. So So we'll just keep it in the fridge, or you can actually freeze them. You freeze them first with on the tray, and then when they're frozen, you can transfer them in a plastic bag or container. So with a medium heat, we'll deep fry our empanadas. So I'll deep fry our empanadas on a medium heat for about 4 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes, just on medium heat. Until we get like a golden brown. So just let it drain. Empanadas are ready for delivery. We should try one. Nice and hot. There you go. Yum. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys.